today, and wow, it's so windy. Oh my goodness, it's blowing like 50 miles an hour out here today. The sound's going to be horrible, but we did not have any idea we were going to find more than just nature here. We brought our EMF detector and we found spirits. The history of the old cabin that's around the corner on a short walk or hike is very interesting. It was built by Dick Richardson around 1908. His family ranched here, and he took railroad ties and used them to build his own little cabin to be away from his family when he was 17 years old. And he was very, very anxious to communicate with us. On our EMF detector, he just kept lighting it up. So we had quite an interactive experience. Thank you for lighting up our EMF detector. Thank you. We come in peace and respect. What an exciting find. We had no idea. So it's turned out to be a great day here, even with the wind.
So this is the cabin out at Corn Creek. We stopped by and we pulled out the EMF detector, and we got way more than we thought we would. It was really something.
Hello, Spirit. A very strong presence with us. Yes, thank you. Who's here with us?
I just wanted to capture some video of your cabin, because you know how cool I think it is that you built it out of railroad ties. Light up my EMF detector one more time. You still here with me, Dick? Please light up that device to red one more time. Thank you, I really appreciate that. We had a great little visit here today at your cabin.
Yes, sir. Nothing but the best. We wish you peace. In this beautiful, beautiful location.